grab for our new intranet now. So first of all, open the option sales order and the boxes that you need to highlight. So in this case, we're actually highlighting the end user on a sales order, whereas specifiers actually placed the order. So first of all, hold Shift Command Control 4 down and take a screen grab of the entire page. From there, paste it onto a PowerPoint presentation, and then we're going to actually fit the screen grab to the page, so you're going to have to reduce that a little bit. Just get as close as you can. We can deal with any bits of the page that are left over at a later stage. That's pretty good. Now from there we want to highlight certain sections, and in this case it's about the end user. So you want to go into Insert and then Shapes. So we're going to highlight the ANZ Bank, which is the end user in this particular order. Now we don't want any fill, obviously, so we'll get rid of that. But we do want an outline, and it's going to be in the company yellow. Now just to take you through what that colour is, you need to add 243 into red, 204 into green, and 50 into blue, and click OK. And that gives you the right colour. From there we're going to look at the weight, and we need to make it stand out, so we're going to increase the weight to 2¼ points. Okay. Now from there we're going to also highlight the end client in the Edit Invoice address box as well. So just drag, make sure you actually get the actual box that you've just copied rather than the whole page, which I didn't get. So just drag it across and just reduce it in size so that we're just capturing the end user. Okay. Now from there we also, I'm just going to make that fit the page a little better. Okay. From there we're actually going to include a text box. So just click on the text box and then click on the page. Now we're just going to check the size of the font. I'm going to use 12, and we're going to just add in there ANZ is the end user, but in lowercase. Now it's hard to see sometimes on this screen grab, so we'll just put it in a position where you can see it, and we're going to highlight it and bold the text. I always like to use a background of white, so in this case we're going to include a fill, and then we're going to highlight it with a yellow outline. No need to make it as thick as the other ones we've done. Now from here we're actually going to include some arrows. Just swing that around to face this text box and drag that so that it's facing that text box there. And then we're going to change the colour, and we will do the thickness. And we don't want that to happen. Copy the arrow. Just make that smaller, it's easier to work with. Okay, now we need to save that. So I'm just going to reduce that slightly, which means I've probably thrown out the boxes, but that's not too bad, so we can modify those so they fit. Probably just choose that one, and then we can change the arrow. Okay, so first of all, we're going to save it as a PowerPoint. Now, I've already created files in the shared drive, so you can do the same depending on what department you're in. This is going to go into sales, and we'll just call this options end user. So save that. And then from there, we're actually going to save it as a JPEG. So save that in the same box, and we're just saving one page. Now that should pop up, but if not, let's go back into box where we've saved it. Doesn't look as though it's saved. Let's try that again. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we'll just make sure that that's saved properly. Okay. Okay, now that's because we've saved them in a different spot. Right, now from opening the JPEG, you can see that we've got a white section down here, so we're going to get rid of that. So go into Paint, select rectangular shape, and then just draw a line over the section that you want to keep. And then right click and crop. Okay, and then you can just save that again. So there we have it, how to actually do a screen grab for the new intranet.